When we receive the machine, we install the folder on the machine, and then here is the photos on the machine. We take out the photos and add the water in the bottle, and we brush here and put it toward the downside, and we add the water in this fountain, and then install back. And then we see the head of the machine. Here is the waster button, and here is the hydrogen and the oxygen buttons. We take the hydrogen oxygen bottles and add water inside. The water, we take it back to the machine. And here is the western liquid bottle. When this bottle full of the western water, we need to take it out. And put this inside the water out as well. And then we install the handles into the machine. Here is attached to the ice hamper. And here is attached to the bipolar eye handle. Here is attached the screen gun and installed in the machine as well. We install all the rest of the handles in the machine. Okay. Plug in the power line and turn on. Click the display. This is for English mode. Okay, we select the English mode. The first one is the scrubber, is for the dead skin remover. And then we click here for the start handle. And we put the energy from the 2 or 3. The second one is the ultrasound handle. We click here for the start, and here is for control the energy. We also start from the 3. The third one is the bipolar eye handle. We also set from the 3 or 4. This one is screen gun, and we put the water or the scrub in this little bottle, and the water will out from this the pauser. The fifth one is for the ice hamper. The ice hamper is for the pore removal. And the last one is for the cleaner pen. There are 3 buttons need to control. The first one is the water control. The last one is for the air control. We turn them to the max. And this one is for the different bottle. There are 4 modes in this station. A, B, C, D mode. A, B, C mode for the bottle A, bottle B, bottle C, and we select bottle A.